ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens. Notice, the LCD installation procedure is different for every laptop model. At ReplaceLCD.com, we've created a searchable database of LCD installation guides. Simply go to ReplaceLCD.com, click on the Installation Guides link, select your laptop brand, series, and model, and you'll be taken to the custom installation guide for your LCD. That's all. You're now ready to install your new LCD screen.
Start by removing the laptop battery. Gently remove the plastic bezel. Pull in an upward motion. Unplug the inverter cable from your LCD. Remove the screws from the LCD hinges. Unplug the connector from your LCD. Remove the tape that is holding the LCD cable. Once the tape is removed, the cable may be disconnected. Your LCD has now been removed and is ready for replacement. We will now install the new LCD onto your laptop. Plug the LCD cable back into your LCD. Secure it with the tape on the cable. Reconnect the LCD to the back cover. Screw the hinges back onto the LCD. Reconnect your LCD inverter. Screw the hinges to the back cover. Place the LCD bezel back onto the screen. Snap it back into place. And that's all. You just replaced your laptop LCD.
ReplaceLCD.com, your source for replacement LCD screens.